how to remove virus notifications on Android mobile. So firstly, always open up your notification panel. So if you swipe down, you will get to your notification panel. So from here, see which is the virus notification and from which app it's coming from. So for example, like here, so I don't actually have a virus notifications, but if you do have, you can simply see from which app it is coming from. So you can simply like tap on it or view through the icons and see the details of it, like on which app it's coming from. So once you have identified the app, so you can see from here which app that is coming from. So once you have identified it, then what you can do, and you can just go to your settings here, go to your settings, okay, go to settings, scroll down all the way down, and then go to the apps and then select the app that's causing the notification. So for example, let's say I have these app here. So for example, like this APK app here, so just tap on it. Okay, so tap on it. So just for example, I'm using this, tap on it and then hit on the uninstall button here to remove that app completely. Okay, and in most cases these virus notifications, they come from the browsers that you are using, because like Chrome or whatever browsers that you're using, there are number one, they are one of the significant causes for these virus notifications. So in that case, for example, if you have something on Chrome, so same thing, go to the apps and then look for Chrome. So for example, Chrome is here, tap on Chrome, and then here what we're going to do is you're going to go and open up the storage option here, click on the storage. Once you're on the storage here, click on clear cache. Okay, click on the clear cache, and then once that's done, okay, relaunch these your browser, I mean your Chrome or any browser, and once you clear the cache, and that should remove the notifications and everything from your phone, and that's pretty much it is.